Hi, my name is Paul Scott Black, and I am the Bowtie Gourmet. Why do lemons and limes like to fight? Because they're bitter rivals. Today, we're gonna make the best Daggum lemon pepper chicken wings you've ever had. We're gonna use a special technique called sauce and toss, so they'll turn out just right. So, let's go ahead and roll up our sleeves and get to cooking.
We're going to start by air frying our wings. You could certainly bake them if you wanted to, but I like to air fry them. We're going to start making our sauce by taking 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter and adding it to a saucepan. Then we're going to take the juice of 1 lemon and add it to the pan. Finally, we're going to take 3 tablespoons of honey and add it to the mix. Give it a good stir until all the butter is melted, and then it's ready to go. Now for the toss. We're going to make a dry rub out of 1.5 tablespoons of Mrs. Dash's lemon pepper seasoning. Then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Then we're just going to give it a quick stir, and it is ready to go. So now it's time to take our air fried wings and sauce them up. We take them and we put them in the lemon butter honey mixture. And then we're going to place them in a large bowl. Now it's time for the toss. We're going to take that dry rub we made earlier and sprinkle it over the sauced wings. Then we're going to take a lid and put it on top and give it a really good shake. And then our wings are ready to plate. Tie a bow on it because they're done. The best Daggum lemon pepper chicken wings you've ever had. They're so good you'll slap your grandma.
I don't know if lemons and limes are bitter rivals. Maybe the limes were just upset because the lemons were the star of the show today. My name is Paul Scott Black, and I am the Bowtie Gourmet. Please subscribe to my channel, click like and share my videos. If you want to see how I make the best, crispiest chicken wings ever, check out the link at the end of the video. And then check out my Wing Wednesday playlist to see how to make some awesome wing recipes. Thanks.